Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna I can never stop clapping. So today I'm gonna be reviewing the new I'm really excited because I love doing reviews. Like, I love trying out like new products and all that stuff. So today I'm gonna be testing out the new Maybelline SuperStay Full Coverage Foundation. So yeah, like let's just jump into this because I'm just really excited. So first, the color I got is 330, which is toffee caramel. Now I am 330 in the matte and poreless foundation, so that's why I got this one. So I don't know if it's lighter or darker, but that's why we're gonna try it out and see if it fits. It says that it's full coverage. It lasts up to 24 hours. I don't know who would want to wear foundation for 24 hours, but I'm not judging. And comfortable. Okay. It says that it fade and transfer resistant, so which means it doesn't transfer like onto your clothes or anything like that, and it's oil free. I love oil free foundation just because I'm an oily gal, so I appreciate that. And it doesn't clog pores. Okay. And yeah, that's all it really says on here. So let's just jump right in. I don't want to make this review too long. Let's just jump in and see if it's full coverage and if it's really good. Okay. I really do appreciate this pump. You know why? Because the matte and poreless doesn't have a pump, and that's really unsanitary, so I appreciate the pump. Okay, so I'm gonna take a sponge. For this review, I'm gonna use a sponge just because that's just what I use on the regular basis. So whatever you use, you can use a sponge or a foundation brush. It's fine. So what I like to do is I'm just gonna tap it into the skin. Let me get my mirror. So this is pretty dark. This would be more of like my summer shade. Yeah, it's pretty dark. I don't know if you guys see the coverage. The coverage is really good. Now I want to cover this spot and also some up here. So let's do this. Okay. Have the foundation on, and I put all of my like go-to products that I use, and I must say I'm in love with it. Like, I love it. Like, it may not be my color, but that's fine. I could just go back to the drugstore and like get my color. But I love how, like, I'll zoom you guys in just a little bit. So I did have like an acne mark right there, and it covered it pretty good. Like, you can still see it, but now can you see it? Like, of course, if you're zoomed in. And what I also love about the foundation is that it went well with all of my favorite products, because usually when I try out new foundations and I add my powder, sometimes the powder sinks in with the foundation, and it kind of like sometimes cracks apart, and then you can kind of see the acne mark. And with this foundation, it didn't do that. So I think the foundation is pretty good. I'll actually leave it on for a few hours, maybe 2 or 3 hours, and come back. So right now it is 12:40. It is 12:47. So I'll come back maybe around 3 o'clock. So I'll give it about 2 hours. I'm not gonna test it for a really long time because I'm not gonna really beat the sun. But I'll definitely keep it on for you guys for like 2 or 3 hours and give you guys like an update just to see how it goes. So yeah, I'll see you guys in about 2 or 3 hours. So yeah. Alright guys, welcome back. So it is now 4:14. I wish I can wear the foundation a little bit longer, but since I go by the sunlight, I don't have much time. Like, if you guys see, it's getting pretty dark, so I try to wait as long as I can. So I waited about 4 to 5 hours, I would say, and so far the foundation is really good. So I zoomed you guys in just a little bit more so you can see how the foundation is. So I think it's doing pretty good. Remember that spot that I had there, it's still covering, which is really good. I don't look as oily. I feel like maybe around the 7th hour I get a bit oily, probably here and on my forehead, but so far so good. I didn't touch up or do anything. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this foundation. I really do like it, and I'm gonna zoom you guys out now because it's kind of awkward. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this foundation for you guys if you guys are looking for a really full coverage drugstore foundation. 330, which is not my color. It's really dark, so I'll probably do, if they have a 315 possibly, or maybe a 320, I think I'll probably do a 315. So yeah, hopefully I helped you guys out on this foundation. I try to, you know, do a wear test 4 to 5 hours. It's the best I can do. I'm really sorry. Hopefully when I get lights and more money and I'm not as broke, then maybe I could do longer wear times. But yeah, so if you did like this video and this review, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, if you guys want me to do more reviews, which I will be doing more reviews on my channel, because I feel like more like just doing first impressions, just doing more first impressions on my channel is just my thing, and I feel like you guys connect more with me when I do more like first impressions and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, peace y'all, bye.